Hey guys, this is Nagu from nagudharan.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you that live demo on how you can find the long tail keywords to write the article or a blog post or whatever things you can do to drive the organic traffic or getting the rank quickly on Google, right? So let's say first I'm telling you what is a long tail keyword. Long tail keyword is the keyword. Basically, it's a keyword. It has at least three words, right? For example, just say meditation is a keyword. Is a main keyword. It has only one word, but if I make that meditation keyword like meditation helps to remove anxiety or meditation for anxiety's problem or meditation for headache, so these kind of words is called the long tail keywords. So basically that simple definition is the words which has the keywords which have contained more than one word. It should have at least three words. Those words is a long tail keywords. Fine. So why do we target the long tail keyword to get the organic traffic or ranking on search engines? Because these keywords are less competitive, and also these keywords getting that less traffic also. So if you find that less competitive and less traffic keyword long tail keywords and targeting these keywords on your article, just say for example, if you find three less competitive long tail keyword which has around 100 to 200 monthly searches, and if you strategically put these three long tail keywords on your article, then you may probably get 300 visits per day via this long tail keywords. Apart from this, because of this long tail keyword you have put in a strategic manner on your article, so your article also have ranked with few more long tail keywords that you didn't reveal, right? So that Google will do the help. So one part, if you give your hand for handshaking with Google, then Google will pick your hand and shake well. So this is the way why that long tail keyword is very important, right? Okay, so coming back to the point, so in this video I'm going to show you that live demo on how to find the long tail keyword, right? So for this I'm not going to use any of the paid tools. I'm simply use the freely available tools which is come from Google itself, right? It's very important is why actually why you want to find the long tail keyword, right? So you need to getting the rank or traffic from Google. So for that reason only you are finding the long tail keyword, right? So in this way, so to getting the traffic from Google, so you can analyze the data what Google is have. That is very nice way to getting the almost 100 percentage accuracy data. So if you do the some other vendors the data they have uh, for analytics, that is much is lesser than what is Google is having. So always we should pick the Google, right? So as a very first step, I'm just go to the google.com. So here I just going to use that niche is very popular niche is a weight loss niche, right? So in the weight loss that most of the people is always trying to find the keyword is what is a reducing belly fat, right? So here I'm just type belly fat. So you see here, once I'm started to type the belly fat, the Google is giving some kind of suggestions here. The belly fat reduction exercises, belly fat reduction. So what it means, this means is these kind of keywords is also searched by so many people on Google. So Google is thinking we are trying to search that same kind of keyword, and there the Google is helping us to giving these keywords as a suggestions. So what I'm going to do, I'm just using this Google suggestion keywords to finding my long tail keyword, right? So here I'm just picking that belly fat yoga, right? So for that I'm just picking belly fat yoga. So once I type the belly fat yoga, the Google again is giving me some more suggestions. So in that I'm just picking that belly fat yoga poses. Then I simply put some space. Then again I'm getting some more Google suggestions. So here you see this one, right? So how to lose belly fat through yoga poses and pranayama. This is very nice keyword, and via this keyword itself is giving us a topic to write the article or creating the video and whatever thing we want, right? So I'm just picking this keyword. So this keyword is contains totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 words are there. So if we remove all the questioning words and prepositions and everything, then that main keywords we have in this keyword is 1 2 3 4, 5, 6. So totally six words are comprising into this long tail keyword. So I'm just picking this keyword, right? Or I'm just searching this first. So let's have a look at what the result is coming. So this is the result. This much results is coming for this keyword, and I'm just scroll down, and I can also get that people also ask. This is also very important when we are writing the article on this topic. So these are all the questions we can use to writing the article on this topic. So these bullet points question is helping us to write the article in more relevant way, right? Then if I scroll down here also, we will get that such related to how to lose belly fat through yoga poses and pranayama. So these are all the related keywords we are getting related to this keyword, right? So yoga asanas that reduce belly fat, yoga to reduce belly fat with pictures, yoga steps for reducing belly fat, yoga to reduce belly fat in 15 days. So I'm what I'm going to do. I'm just keep this page is as it is, and I'm just opening that new page and open my Google AdWords account, right? So in the Google AdWords account, it has the first of all the Google AdWords account itself is a free tool, so we can use this as a free of cost. So when we use this as a free of cost, this Google AdWords itself is having the tool, the free tool called the Keyword Planner, right? So if I go to the tools and settings, if I go to tools and settings, what happened? Yeah, if I go to the tools and settings and click the Keyword Planner, then the Google Keyword Planner will appear here. So here I am just coming here and click the discover new keywords and just paste the keyword which I have found on Google search engine, right? So how to lose belly fat through yoga poses and pranayama, and I simply click the get results. Then it will give me that actual number of monthly searches what this keyword is getting. That information will come here. So unfortunately this keyword doesn't have any monthly searches or competition at all, so we should not target this keyword. It means we should not target this keyword alone on our article, right? So for that, what I will do, I simply come back to this page and pick this related keywords what Google has suggested for me. Just say for example, I'm just pick this one, right? How long what I do is just simply copy all the keywords and open the notepad and paste those keywords. And here I'm just pick how long does it take reduce belly fat with yoga. I'm coming back here and just paste this keyword and click the get result. So you see now I'm getting the result. So actually this keyword is having the 90 average monthly searches, and the competition is also is very low, right? So this is the one of the keyword we can target as a long tail keyword. So in live I just find this keyword as my long tail keyword. So it has the 90 monthly searches and it has a low competition. So what it means, so it means if I targeting this long tail keyword on my blog post when I'm writing the article, so I have a very good chance to getting the rank quickly for this keywords along with some other keywords also. So it will drive the organic traffic from Google. It's very quickly for me, right? So in the same way, if I research these keywords, then I will find few more long tail keyword which I can target for my article. I can get it. So this is the way how you can use the free tools from Google to find your profitable and less competitive long tail keyword. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will come back to you with another informative in my next video. Until then, bye bye.